So a little while back, I took a filing cabinet and painted it and made it look like a really awesome toolbox. And I have another hanging cabinet that I actually want to do the same with. I got this cabinet a long time ago. I got it for free. It's a little beat up and dinged up, but today I'm going to try and make that thing look exactly like my other cabinet and my toolbox. So let's get started. Alright guys, and this is the cabinet we're actually starting out with. So I got this thing for free a while ago. I haven't used it for anything, haven't mounted it to the wall, and been looking for another excuse to paint again, so this is up on the chopping block. So as you can see, someone has gone through and rattle canned this entire cabinet black. We're gonna go back to the original red, but first we gotta fix some of these dents and pull off the handles and things like that so we can hit this thing with a sander. So let's start. Well guys, this isn't quite going as planned. So a couple things to note. There is rust actually going through the sheet metal here in the front. Dents and dings are a little bit worse than I thought. Like you can feel all of this is textured. So for me to go through and actually make this cabinet nice, or even halfway decent, kind of like the filing cabinet that we did in the previous video, it's going to take quite a bit of work. And to be honest with you, this looks badass. Seriously, I really like the way it looks. I usually don't like this faked patina look, but honestly, this looks pretty cool. So I'm kind of on the fence on what I want to do. Actually, I just reached out on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me, I'm at Petrol360 to see what you guys think. If I should clear coat this thing as patinaed, or if I should just go ahead and take it all the way down, do it nice, and make it match my toolbox and my filing cabinet that I've got. So honestly, I'm probably just going to sleep on it, see what you guys say in the morning. And one other thing, honestly, while I was thinking about this thing being patinaed, I thought about it'd be sweet if there was a patina logo on the front of this. So it kind of got me thinking a little bit, and I just might, if we decide to clear coat this, cut out some vinyl that says Craftsman across the front, spray that in white, and then spray it over again in black, and then sand it back to try and make it blend in a little bit more. So we'll see. Again, we'll find out what you guys say in the morning. Okay, well, no matter which way you guys choose, these guys are gonna go chrome, so I'm gonna go ahead and scuff these up and I can shoot them tonight. What, did you guys think I was actually going to take all the paint off and polish these things? It's chrome in a can. Alright guys, well, looks like you guys are speaking. I am going to wait till tomorrow to do anything, but I think I'm going to go ahead and print out that stencil, see if I can get a logo on the front of this thing. So. Well, that settles it. 137 said yes to keep the patina, and only 25 said no. So that's what we're going to do on this cabinet. We're going to go ahead and clear coat the patina. And like I said yesterday, I did go ahead and put a logo on the front of it. So let's see what logo I went with. Alright, so obviously I painted over the logo after I put it on. So what I'm going to do now is sand it off to make it match everything else. So we're going to go wet sand this and show you guys what decided to be on here. So from here, what I'm going to do is wet sand this entire cabinet with some 600, get it all smoothed out and prep for clear coat. Since we did decide to swap from paint to clear coat on this project, I don't have the materials. I've got some red paint set up, ready to respray this thing, but I'm going to have to go get some clear. I'm pretty sure I'm going to shoot some 2K clear, but I'm going to go to my paint shop, ask around a little bit, and see what they recommend for something like this patina deal. So I'll skip forward to whenever we get ready to throw some clear on this thing. All right, guys, and as you can see, it actually did lay out pretty smooth. I'm pretty happy with it, especially for my first time shooting an entire piece. It is about 40 degrees outside, which is way too cold to be able to spray this stuff, but I've been waiting for about 3 weeks to shoot this, and the weather just has not cooperated. I have to shoot outside. I don't dare shoot this in my garage for all the overspray, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with it.
Alright, well, for a complete and total failure, this actually didn't turn out too bad. So I'm pretty excited about this. It turned out really good. I did get 4 coats of clear coat on the face of it here, and it really has depth and makes the red and everything pop. I'm very, very stoked with how it's turned out. Honestly, I still kind of wish I could have restored this back to make it look like my filing cabinet, but this is a pretty cool piece. Now I just got to find out where the heck am I actually going to hang it, because I don't have a spot for it yet. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for checking out the video. If you like this build and if you'd like to see more stuff like this, make sure to subscribe. And if you thought this was a cool project, hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you guys next time.